How to make Safari default browser on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. Here, go to Default Browser App. You can view or change your default browser app from here. As you can see, your current default browser is Chrome. If you want to change it, then select Safari. From now on, Safari will be used to open links and browse the web. Following these steps, you can easily make Safari default browser on iPhone. This way, you get more control over your experience on the device. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.